Welcome to Fun Grammar for Beginner. Today, I will give you a short lesson about present simple, including positive and negative tense. Check it out.
I have 2 eggs for breakfast.
We don't drink coffee in the evening.
They like chocolate.
We eat rice in the evening. I don't have sugar in my coffee.
You don't like cheese.
The children eat the vegetable.
Do you eat steak?
People in the UK don't have a big lunch. They usually have a sandwich.
My family have lunch together on Sundays.
I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian.
They eat a lot of fish and rice in Japan.
You drink a lot of coffee. It isn't good for you.
They don't drink alcohol in Egypt.
We don't go to restaurants. They're very expensive.
I don't have breakfast at home. I go to a cafe. Do you have children?
No, I don't.
I don't like this photo. It's terrible. Do you want a coffee?
No, thanks. I don't drink coffee.
I don't have brothers and sisters. I'm an only child.
Do you listen to the music on the radio?
I don't listen to pop music, but I listen to Classic FM. It's a classical music station. Excuse me, do you work here?
No, I don't. Sorry.
Do you like MTV?
No, I don't. I don't watch TV. I read.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. Do you speak Spanish?
No, I don't. I only speak English.
Do you like Saturdays?
Yes, I do. I don't work at the weekend.
I don't know.
Do you live near here?
I don't like football.
Do you want a coffee?
They work in the city center.
I have 2 sisters.
Do you speak French? I don't need a big car. Do you go to German classes?
I don't have a watch.
Do you listen to music in a car?
I don't work on Saturdays.
Thanks for watching.